Hello guys. I have this laptop notebook. It's a HP Pavilion G4 model. Um, what's going on? Every time I turn on my screen, my computer, I have a white screen, and most of the time it has lines showing. So I decided to go ahead and change the screen. I found this website from laptopscreen.com. I decided to go ahead and give it a try. What I like, they have um, a great warranty, lifetime warranty. Any exchanges you need to make, you're able to do that within the 30-90 days. I'm gonna go ahead and so I got the screen already. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off. So pretty much I already started taking some of the screws off, but what you want to do, you have two screws here, one, two. You want to take those off, and then the backing simply with your nail, or if you have something like this, that'll work too. Pretty much you go behind there and then just start bringing it out. So once you bring it out, it's pretty easy. Just set this off to the side, and then you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that you have to take off. For the most part, I already took all of them out. So pretty much, you want to use it's a little fine screw Phillips tip. Take that out, and then you're able to have the backing off, just like that. And that will give you easy access to the screen here. Next thing you want to do, go ahead and turn it over to the side right here. So what you'll have is 4 screws. There's going to be 2 on each side. There's one there, one over here. You take those off. Just make sure you hold on to the screen. And they're really small screws, so you want to hang on to them, put them off to the side. And then you can just simply drop it down. Be really careful with this. This is your main adapter there for the screen. So I'm just setting it down. And then you have this one connection here. There's a little backing adhesive here. Just bring it up and just kind of push it out a little. I don't know if you can see that. Just like so. Be really careful. Just like that. It's really easy. And then you have your screen off. So that's the old one. This is the new screen here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this cover off. Like so. There's more tape here. Just take your time. What am I doing? Just gonna put it over here on top of the keyboard, because I'm just gonna use that so that my screen sits there, so it doesn't scratch or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this back in place to the new one, and then just kind of same thing. Take your time attaching it to the connection here, and it's gonna go the same way as you took the other one out. Just be really careful, patient. You'll see it once it connects. You'll kind of feel, you won't hear it, but you'll feel like a little click. That's all the way in on both sides. All you gotta do is simply just run your finger there, that way it stays back in place. And that's pretty much it. Now we gotta just put it back together. And that's it. We'll bring our screen back up. And then we can go ahead and attach the back of it. And I find it easier if we put this top screws first. These two right here. Just kind of guiding it a little bit. And then that's good enough, so it'll hold. That way it gives you there we go. It's just about patience. It doesn't take too long. As you saw, the changing out the screen was the easiest part. Just putting it back together seems to be always taking a little longer, but it's doable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my magnetic tip here. If you have a smaller screwdriver, as long as it's magnetic, I think it'll help a lot. And I'll do the same thing with the other side. The other side, for some reason, you want to do the one on the inside first. It's really hard to get to. You might have to put your hand back there so you can kind of push it against you. And that will help it to screw in. This one's a little big, so I'm just going to continue with my smaller screwdriver. And then I have my other two screws. See, that kind of helps it stay in there, in place. Instead of fighting with it. There we go. Just kind of hand tighten it just a little bit. Right, we have the last one here for the back side. And this is a 14-inch screen, LCD screen. Alright, and our last piece is this one here. This one pretty much it just clips on the inside of this. So just go ahead and clip it all the way before you put the screws. And you can kind of see the sides too. If it's when it's in, it should be flush against the back. So let's go ahead and turn it on. See how that's working. And that's what we're looking for. So no more white screen, no more lines, everything looks great. Again, it has a lifetime warranty. I suggest you check them out. It's lapsonscreen.com. If you have any questions, you can do some comments below. Thank you.